Step 1, sign up for GHL for 14 days for free with the link down below. Step 2, copy my pre-built funnel that I've already made for you that makes me over $40,000 this month. Step 3, profit. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to copy my $10,000 a week proven, time-tested, completely foolproof affiliate marketing strategy. By the end of this video, the only thing that's going to prevent you from making $10,000 this week from affiliate marketing is going to be your own inaction. So if you don't want to be part of 99% of people who will watch my videos and then not take action, then the first thing you can do is take action by watching this video all the way to the very end. Plus, I'm going to be revealing the entire strategy and a way that you can do it for completely free by the end of the video. So step 1 of the affiliate marketing strategy that you guys are going to learn how to copy that literally makes me over $1,400 per day is to, number 1, pick a product or a niche that you actually use. This is a list of every single niche that I could come up with for affiliate marketing. A lot of these I've already done, and every single other I know people that have done. For example, if you found yourself very interesting recently in dropshipping, then all you would have to do is pick dropshipping as your niche. If you have found yourself interested in skincare, if you make websites for a living, if you know a lot about VPNs, if you do Uber or DoorDash, if you do sports betting, if you trade stocks, if you know anything about makeup, cooking, bodybuilding, photography, nutrition, any of these things I'm gonna go ahead and list right here can enable you to make $10,000 a week. It does not matter which one you pick. The only thing that matters is if you know the steps to follow in order to be making $10,000 a week off that thing, which is good because you are watching the right video on how to do that. And by the end of this video, you are gonna know exactly how to copy my $10,000 affiliate marketing lead flow funnel that all you're gonna have to do is plug and play, and it will work for any niche ever. Now, what do I mean by picking a niche that you actually use? I'm telling you to pick a niche for affiliate marketing about something that you already know about and that you have passion for. For example, for me, my first ever affiliate marketing niche was fashion. I like fashion, I like designer clothing, I like expensive shoes, I like expensive stuff. So the first thing I ever made was a YouTube channel teaching people how to buy designer fashion cheaply and affordably. And then I provided a bunch of affiliate marketing links where they can then go ahead and sign up for stuff, where they can go ahead and buy whatever I was talking about in the video. And I guarantee you for a fact that you know something like that you could do it for. Maybe you resell stuff and you want to make an entire affiliate marketing thing around that. Maybe you drop ship and you want to do affiliate marketing for something like Shopify. Affiliate marketing is the best business for beginners to absolutely cash out, and it is also fantastic for even people who are further along into their money-making game because of how easy it is to do. All you need to do is just set everything up right, and then it will basically run itself. Because keep in mind, with affiliate marketing, you don't have to fulfill the product. You don't even have to create the product. All you have to do is promote the product, which is the easiest part about creating a product. Step 2 is going to be creating quality content around that product or niche. Now, what does this mean for you, and how can we create quality content that requires no work at all? Another niche that I made a lot of money in by following the steps that I'm going to be teaching you in the video, so make sure you guys go ahead and watch till the end, where I'm also going to be giving you the entire lead funnel that I created for this niche by the end of the video, so make sure you stick till the end for that, is credit cards. I made videos just like this, where I rank every single credit card, or how to manage credit card annual fees, whatever credit card tier list, ranking credit cards, videos just like these, which are super easy to make because I already know a ton about the topic because I did a ton of research into credit cards and how to build credit and how to do things with credit. So all I had to do is just get on a video and talk about it. And then all I did is I just uploaded it to YouTube, and then boom, just like that, I was able to get a ton of views. Unlike most people who say they do affiliate marketing, I actually do it. As you guys can see right here, this is my actual credit card channel. I made a bunch of videos right here about credit cards, and I am going to be coming back to this channel. And how any of these videos worked is, let's say this video right here, where I ranked the best credit card of 2024. All that happened is that people would go to the description and they would sign up for the credit card that I talked about in the video. And because I gave a good review of the credit card, because I talked about it in a positive way, and I went ahead and stuck the link for the sign up in the description, I made $200 per person that signed up for this credit card, which is one of the things that enabled me to make $10K per month. But the thing that enabled me to make a lot more money is going to be step 3. Step 3 is building a community around that product or niche to qualify leads. For me, I created an entire community with something called Go High Level, which I will be showing you how to literally copy this community near the end of the video. I created this simple page right here that didn't take me barely any time, showing people why they should go ahead and join my community. And the best part is that I made the community entirely free, and the idea of the community is that I was going to re-engage people within the community to sign up for things with my affiliate marketing. On top of that, you can charge the community. I charge 20 bucks per month, and I still make thousands of dollars a month off of just this one community. Which, if you guys literally want to copy and paste the entire community for yourself, I'm actually going to be giving you a way to do that near the end of the video, so make sure you stick till the end for that. Another example of a community is the one that I created specifically for affiliate marketing, that if you guys stick till the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you how to join for completely free. Inside of this community, I have a bunch of active members that are going ahead and showing off their wins with affiliate marketing. They can ask questions about affiliate marketing, and they can also upgrade to the premium version of the Discord, which includes 24/7 support from me about any of the questions they have relating to affiliate marketing, as well as a full course explaining exactly how I make 40K per month. On top of that, the first 2 videos of the course are available for completely free within the Discord, so make sure you guys watch till the end so you can learn how to join it. Next up, how are you going to copy this exact funnel right here? It's super simple. I use something called Go High Level to create this funnel. It makes it super easy, and it's going to make it even easier for you because you don't have to do any of the work. You can just copy and paste this exact thing and just apply it for whichever affiliate marketing niche you're looking to do. All you guys are going to have to do if you want to get the entire funnel that is already pre-built for you, it includes the private community, it includes the emails that I've written that you can just copy paste. It includes the funnel itself. It includes even the products that I made with it that you guys can literally just copy and paste for yourself. All you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go to this sign up link right here and click on this, which is going to enable you to sign up for Go High Level with my Snapshot. As you guys can see right here, you have been invited to use High Level by Xavier LLC, which is the name of my business, and it is my entire affiliate marketing snapshot, which if you guys sign up with the link down below, you will get an exclusive 14-day free trial. But keep in mind, it is for limited time only, so if you want to be part of the action takers that I talked about earlier, this is the first step to take action, is to go ahead and copy my entire lead magnet formula that is 100% proven. I've used it across a ton of different niches, and the best part is that you can just copy and paste it for yourself super easily. I wish, for the love of God, I had something like this when I started affiliate marketing, because it took me months to get the funnel just right. But the best part is that for you, you'll just get to copy and paste it, and it'll just start working for you. On top of that, while you guys are there, make sure to go and join the affiliate marketing Discord from the link right there. Once you click on this page, all you'll need to do is you'll just need to click the Get Access button right here with the free Discord. If you're also interested in getting the affiliate marketing course, which includes the VIP chat, as well as weekly calls with me and 24/7 support with me personally, and the entire course content, which will include much more information than I can pack into just this YouTube video. The course is almost 4 hours long and has a ton of modules that will literally take you from A to 0 on how to do affiliate marketing. And trust me, I definitely wish I had something like it when I started. Plus, if you don't like it and you don't make your money back using our methods, within your first month, you are entitled to a full refund. All you got to do is just hit me with an email and I will go ahead and give you a full refund, no questions asked. With that all being said, guys, we have in fact at the end of this video. So if you did enjoy it, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And with that all being said, we're going to call it here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a good day. Bye.